In this quick guide, you'll learn how to set default columns for the forecasting deal table. Whether you're managing sales data or just trying to keep your forecasts organized, setting up the right columns can make all the difference. Let's dive in and make sure your forecasting deal table is set up just the way you need it. First, let's start by locating the settings icon, which looks like a gear in the top navigation bar of your interface. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a menu where you can access various configuration options for your account. Once you're in the settings, look over to the left sidebar. Here, you'll see a section labeled Objects. Click on that to expand it and then select Forecast. This will take you to the area where you can manage all your forecasting settings. Now, you're on the Setup tab. Scroll down until you spot the option that says Choose Default Columns for the forecasting deal table. This is where you can customize which columns appear by default when you open your deal table. Let's talk about how you can customize these columns to best suit your needs. First up, if you want to add new columns, use the search bar on the left side of the screen. This is a handy tool that allows you to find specific properties like close date or amount. Simply type in the property you're looking for and it will appear for you to select. Once you've added the columns you need, you might want to rearrange them to better fit your workflow. To do this, look for the 8-dot handle next to each property on the right side of the list. Click and hold that handle, and you can drag the property up or down to reorder it. Remember, the property you place at the top will appear as the leftmost column on your table, so arrange them in a way that makes the most sense for you. Now, if there are any columns you find unnecessary or cluttered, you can easily remove them. Simply click the X next to any property you'd like to get rid of. This will help keep your table tidy and focused only on the data you need. Once you've made all your changes, don't forget to click the Save button. This ensures that all your customizations are applied and will be there the next time you access the forecasting deal table. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully set the default columns for your forecasting deal table. By customizing these columns, you can streamline your data management and focus on what truly matters in your forecasts. Thanks for tuning in, and now you're all set to make your forecasting process more efficient and tailored to your needs.